Every day worldwide, we burden our atmosphere with around 90 million metric tons of CO2. As one of the world's leading logistics service providers, we have shouldered our responsibility by firmly anchoring environmental protection in our corporate policy. With our eco solutions, we offer you concrete solutions you can use to reduce, compensate for, or even completely avoid emissions. EcoFund is our new environmental protection agent. He shows how much CO2 you can save with DB Schenker, because each EcoFund stands for 5 metric tons of CO2 saved. DB Schenker freight trains take the load off Europe's roads and cut CO2 emissions by almost 20,000 metric tons every day. Environmentally friendly drive technology and efficient driving are just 2 examples of our absolute dedication to environmental issues. DB Schenker is supporting the construction of the world's first hybrid power station to store wind energy and supply power at peak demand times. And with Eco Plus, you can transport your freight without any emissions at all, today. In our multimodal supply chains, we combine the benefits of individual modes of transport, the flexibility of trucks, with the outstanding ecological balance of freight trains, for example. We conduct training courses to make sure that our drivers continue to reduce carbon emissions. We use our hubs to bundle transport because optimally loaded vehicles mean less CO2. In the DB Schenker network, we employ aircraft from the leading carriers and thus have access to the world's most efficient cargo fleets. A considerable proportion of the CO2 emissions in the cargo shipping segment is created on land when the goods are taken between harbors and inland terminals. Wherever possible, we try to take goods inland by eco-friendly means. On certain routes, our carriers reduce their speed because even a slightly reduced speed has an enormous effect on the overall CO2 equation. In the contract logistics sector, we have developed concepts for energy-efficient warehousing operations. On this basis, we are constructing new logistics centers with low environmental impact and converting existing warehousing facilities. At DB Schenker, climate protection starts as early as the customer consulting phase. We actively support you in achieving your climate protection targets and analyze the carbon emissions of your entire supply chain. You too can benefit from the size of the DB Schenker network and our green solutions, tailor-made for your company. Save tons of CO2 with DB Schenker EcoFunds.